So I finished painting the dining room and I moved on to the stairs, the hallway going up to the bedroom level. What I did, I removed the banister that was here because the people who installed it and didn't anchor it properly, they just kind of like drilled it into the drywall, so it left these indentation marks, and it also wasn't sturdy. My kids kept pulling on it, so I just decided to go ahead and take it off, and I took it off the paint and patch the holes and put it back up there properly. But I think I'm just gonna leave it off just because it makes the hallway, the stairway look a lot wider. And I think that banisters, yes, they are for safety reasons, but they look very dated. So I'm about to go ahead and finish painting this portion of the steps and get my kids ready for bed. But I want to make sure that I can paint this area and it dries a little bit before they come up the stairs. And plus I want to see if they notice that the banister is missing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Painting the house was definitely an undertaking. I went into this project knowing that I wanted to save money and I kind of wanted to get my hands dirty and take a chance at painting the house myself. And would it be something that I would do again? Probably not right away, but there are some areas in the house that we still need to paint, such as the bathrooms, our kids' playroom, and the basement area. And by the time you're seeing this video, those areas have already been painted and we probably are in the process of decorating. I did a lot of painting at night when the kids were asleep or during the day while the kids were at school. Our little boy is still home, but he can stay out of my way. He can play by himself, so that allowed me to get a little bit done. And again, this is not something that I will hop, skip, and jump to do, but I definitely enjoyed the process. So a few days later, we got our floors delivered, and when you get new floors, you have to let them sit out for about 24 hours, maybe 48 hours in the environment that they're going to be installed in. So while we were waiting for that to happen, I went to Home Depot and got the quarter round and the trimming, which is like the shoe molding and the underlayment for the floors. And while I did that, my husband, he knew that he wanted to redo the kitchen cabinets himself instead of us painting them and or buying new ones. So he also joined me at Home Depot, and he had his measurements, he had his numbers ready for the gentleman to cut the wood. And if you don't know, if you go to Home Depot and you plan on buying wood and you need it cut, they do have there that will cut the wood for you. Just know what your measurements are, what kind of wood you want, and they'll cut it. A few days later, after we got the floor installed, we went ahead and regrouted the bathroom floor. The floors had white tile with like a grayish black grout, which made the floors look really dirty. So my husband just went in and pulled up all that old grout, regrouted, and sealed the floor. Good morning. So I just left our rental house, a rental property, which is previously a house that we used to live in, and everything's been good so far. You know, every so often you have to go in and do maintenance, do your checkups, do home inspections, just making sure everything's up to date, nothing's falling apart. And so on our recent home inspection, we noticed that the dishwasher was leaking, and it had been leaking into the basement, bedroom, and bathroom. So we have a contractor who is our contractor we always work with, able to get him to come over, look at the dishwasher, diagnose the issue right away. We do not purchase brand new washers, dryers, refrigerators,
dishwashers, all those things. So we recently placed the refrigerator, and we got that from a newly used appliance store, and we did the same thing with the dishwasher. I was able to go in, tell them exactly what I wanted, which was stainless on stainless to match what we have, and I purchased it, had it tested, checked out, everything worked, and now I'm gonna go pick it up today. We were concerned about the drywall from the ceiling in the basement bathroom and bedroom, and he was able to go in and say, hey, look, it's not as bad as it looks. We can spray some Kills on it, and that'll kill any bacteria, any mold that may be there, and then he's gonna replaster it for me, and then we're gonna paint the ceiling. So that saved us a ton of money, because the way the ceiling was looking, I thought we were gonna have to rip all that drywall out, maybe even replace the subflooring, because we weren't aware how long it had been leaking. I'm glad that that is the inexpensive repair that is going to be taking place today.
Thank you guys again for tuning into my channel. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button, and if you're new here, press the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you can be notified when I post new videos. Also follow me over on Instagram at _JoannaMarie_, and I'll see you guys again next week.